Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you want to quickly have the extension shown on the different files, so if you go into, so I'm going to go into my download folder. So I've got files here, but the extensions don't show on the file automatically. So here I don't have any extensions. I don't know what type. It tells me here what the extensions are, the type of file, but sometimes you want to see it for yourself. And in Windows 11 now, it's very easy to add those. You just go to your settings app. Yep, you used to go to put little check marks on the File Explorer, but now you don't have to. You go there, you go into System, you go into Developer for developers, which will, by the way, eventually be Advanced Settings. And here you have File Explorer. And Show File Extensions is here. There you go. And this is going to show the file extensions. Now you have the .jpegs and .pdf and .webp, .docx, and so on. All the extensions are shown, and it's very, very easy to do now, thanks to this setting and the Settings app. For extensions, sometimes it's nice to see the extensions when you are on the File Explorer app. So that was a quick tip. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.